Test. Labels. Drag labels to the correct places in the image. Crosswords. Use the clues to do the crossword puzzle. Click here if you want to create an exercise in which the image has to be labeled with words. Select the template you like. Enter the exercise text. Click here if you want to open the media library to insert videos, sounds, or images. Drag and drop an image and adjust it if necessary. Use the red frame to adjust the size and shape of the white background of the image. Use the blue frame to resize, rotate, and move the image to view the whole image or only part of it. If you want to replace an image, simply drag and drop another one to that image. Click on the plus icon to add more labels to the exercise. You can even add images as answer options. Drag the labels to the correct places and adjust where the points should be. If you want to delete a label, click on the X button in the upper right corner of that label. You can even add extra labels that cannot be placed anywhere. Customize the look of the exercise. Click on the objects in the upper left and right corners to change them. Save the exercise. Click here to add a new exercise to the worksheet. Click here if you want to create your own crossword puzzle. Select a template you like. Enter the exercise text and insert an image. Click here to open the media library and drag and drop an image. You can also insert a sound by simply dragging it to the image. Enter the answers. If you press Enter, you can start typing in the next line. If your word is shorter than the available squares, any empty square will be deleted automatically. If it is longer, extra squares will be added automatically. The solution is indicated with yellow squares. Move the rows horizontally to set it. Enter a clue for each word. Save the exercise. Click on this icon to display the entire crossword puzzle. or just one clue and one row at a time. Click on the arrows to go to the next exercise or the previous one, or click on a number to go to that particular exercise. Click here to enter the name of the worksheet, arrange the order of the exercises, and set how many points an exercise is worth. Click on the bin icon to delete the current exercise from the worksheet if you no longer need it. Click on this icon to go back to editing mode if the exercise you have saved still needs editing. If you do not want to save your changes, click on this icon to restore the exercise to the previous state. Click here to check your results. Click on this icon to check the results for the current exercise. Click on this icon to check the overall results for the worksheet. Click on this icon to view your answers. Click on this icon to check your results. Click on this icon to see all the correct answers. Insert the worksheet into your exercise book so it can be used later during the lesson or sent to students. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.